Crash course on Canadian economy by region and hot jobs for you. Canada is a vast country with a diverse economy that is shaped by different industries and regional factors. Here's a breakdown of the Canadian economy by region. 1. Western Canada. Western Canada is known for its natural resources, particularly in the provinces of Alberta, British Columbia, and Saskatchewan. These provinces have a significant presence in the oil and gas industry, as well as mining, forestry, and agriculture. For example, the oil sands in northern Alberta are one of the largest oil reserves in the world, while British Columbia is a major exporter of lumber and other forest products. Top 10 hot jobs for Western Canada. Software developer, mining engineer, oil and gas drilling supervisor, aerospace engineer, construction manager, geologist, biomedical engineer, mechanical engineer, pharmacist, financial analyst. 2. Central Canada. Central Canada, which includes the provinces of Ontario and Quebec, is home to Canada's largest cities and is the economic engine of the country. These provinces have a diverse economy that includes manufacturing, finance, technology, and services. For example, Ontario is home to Canada's largest auto manufacturing sector, while Quebec is a major player in the aerospace industry. Top 10 hot jobs for Central Canada. Software developer, registered nurse, electrical engineer, sales representative, industrial designer, accountant, marketing manager, human resources manager, financial advisor, web developer. 3. Atlantic Canada. Atlantic Canada, which includes the provinces of Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador, has a unique economy that is heavily influenced by its geography and natural resources. Fishing, forestry, and tourism are important industries in this region. For example, Nova Scotia is known for its lobster fishing industry, while Newfoundland and Labrador has a significant presence in the oil and gas industry. Top 10 hot jobs for Atlantic Canada. Fish plant manager, lobster fisherman, software developer, physiotherapist, electrical engineer, registered nurse, accountant, human resources manager, construction manager, insurance adjuster. 4. Northern Canada. Northern Canada, which includes the territories of Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut, has a small but growing economy that is largely based on natural resources such as mining, forestry, and oil and gas. The region also has significant potential for renewable energy development, particularly in the form of hydroelectric power. Interesting examples and stories. Top 10 hot jobs for Northern Canada. Mining engineer, environmental scientist, heavy equipment operator, electrical engineer, mining technician, carpenter, industrial mechanic, project manager, nurse practitioner, mining geologist. Please note, these hot jobs may vary depending on the specific region and industry. It's important to do your own research and consider your own skills and interests when exploring job opportunities in Canada. Canada's economy by region is full of interesting stories and examples. Here are a few. Alberta's oil sands. Alberta's oil sands are a major economic driver for Western Canada, but they also have significant environmental and social implications. The development of the oil sands has been a contentious issue in Canada, with concerns about greenhouse gas emissions, water use, and the impact on Indigenous communities. However, the industry also provides jobs and economic opportunities for many people in the region. Ontario's auto industry. Ontario's auto industry has been a key part of the province's economy for decades, but it has faced significant challenges in recent years. The industry has struggled with global competition, changing consumer preferences, and the shift towards electric and autonomous vehicles. However, Ontario has also been investing in new technologies and partnerships to maintain its position as a leader in the auto industry. Quebec's aerospace industry. Quebec's aerospace industry is a major player in the global market, with companies like Bombardier and Pratt & Whitney Canada headquartered in the province. The industry has faced challenges in recent years, including global competition and supply chain disruptions during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, Quebec has also been investing in research and development to maintain its position as a leader in the aerospace industry. Newfoundland and Labrador's offshore oil and gas. Newfoundland and Labrador has a significant presence in the offshore oil and gas industry, particularly in the Hibernia and Terra Nova fields. However, the industry has faced challenges in recent years, including declining production and the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The province is also exploring new opportunities in renewable energy, such as offshore wind power. Overall, Canada's economy by region is diverse and dynamic, with different industries and regional factors shaping the economic landscape. Whether you're interested in natural resources, manufacturing, technology, or renewable energy, there are plenty of opportunities to explore and discover in Canada. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.